Alright, it's Rainbow-7X, and it's time for System Test 7. This is probably the most widespread fire system I've done in a while. So, see the main panel is Simplex 4001. A few troubles. We've got a signal trouble, system trouble. I'll explain the signal trouble in a bit. Zone 1 is this ESL detector. I will not be testing that one today because, as you can see by the fast flash rate, it needs to be repaired. And it's extremely hard to activate because it's not very sensitive. Zone 2 is linked to this panel, which we'll get further explanation. Zone 3 goes to this system sensor 2100S, and there's another 2100S over here. Both of those do work. Alright. And Zone 4 is this Edwards SIGA pull station. Also, this 2100S is linked to this little annunciator, LED annunciator, which I'll demonstrate that. For alarms, we got Simplex 4050. It's really quiet because I cranked that screw in as far as I could with it still sounding okay, because it's freaking loud otherwise. To this panel. This panel interfaces with several two-wire 12-volt smokes, and the alarm relay goes to zone 2 on there. So it's basically just converting it to a 2-wire zone that's 12 volt. And those two detectors I'll show in a moment. This Simplex key switch, alarm LED on that one is set to this panel's NAC, which is coding to march time, and this is coding the 4050 to march time as well. Key switch is set as a remote acknowledge for the 4001. Okay, that was a lot. And the NS has its strobe hooked up only. Now, due to neighbors, I'm not going to be setting off the horn on this alarm, but the strobe does work. Now, let's see, what else do I need to explain? Let's explain how this horn is wired up. Yeah, so this is an AC horn. It takes 24 volts AC. I converted it from a 4051 to a 4050. That's why. So there's a separate little transformer down here running that alarm, and I had a relay box. There's 24 volt relay that is running off the neck. Now relays are coils, they have resistance, obviously. So that's what's causing the signal trouble on this panel. Links panel is unrelated. Now, a little bit of story with this is an Edwards 1212B. Zone 1 is broken, Zone 2 still works. I think that's just about it. I guess I'll show some of the other detectors. Let's show this. So first up we have, actually I'll show you that one a little bit here. Here, there's a dog, a good dog. And into here we have a real old Edwards detector. It works, it's ionization, but it's old, so it's hard to activate. I'll see if I can get it to work. That's the device. Now, in the hallway there's a duct detector. Alright, sorry for the cut, but I ran out of storage. Alright, we will be testing... We're not doing this one, that's Zone 1. So I think that we are going to do the outside detectors first. So we'll do the normal one, and we'll do the duct one. So that zone is enabled, and I have the piezo silence on, so we save our ears. So how I have to do is there's no test button on those detectors. I have to use smoke. But in order to silence this quickly, I'm going to leave my key in the key switch. Okay. Let's go test it. When I test the duct detector, I'm gonna have to leave, let my dog out, because he really hates the sound. If you looked on that key switch thing, it has a buzzer as well. Alright. It has a buzzer as well, and he hates the sound of that thing. There's a detector, it's an ionization one. The light doesn't flash, but it's on. It just doesn't flash. So now I'm gonna light one of these Q-tips, just how I tested the duct detector in its prototype stage on that little mini simulated duck, yeah. So now I will be lighting the Q-tip. These things work great for testing detectors. This is the most real smoke you can get. This is gonna smell bad. There we go. Alright. In theory, this is going to go off. It's not very sensitive. There's definitely smoke. Get the draft to pull it, right? We wait for that little LED to come on. Just tends to take some time. I'm going to light it again. I'll keep a watch of it though, so if it comes on, I can tell you. This is such a pain to test these things. Luckily, I got new detectors. It actually worked better in the duct. I don't know why. It's not meant to be a duct detector. This thing is just pain. Well, I don't know if we're going to be able to get this one to go off. Certainly doesn't seem like it. Okay, let me just try the other side of this Q-tip. Maybe that side is just not applicable. I'm just going to not hold the camera for this. I'll show you it when it goes into alarm. It's not even that interesting. It's just me testing a detector with smoke. It's taking a long time. Oh, there we are. Okay. So red LED. So, I'm hearing the sounds. SHG is flashing. I'm primarily going to be using the key switch to silence. Oh. We can manually reset the detector from the key switch. There's a cat. Oh, what is up with my focus? There's a dog. So that should be cleared. And nope, it's going to need help. As you see, I reset it and the alarm LED came back on. So I'm going to pop the detector open. Which is an absolute pain to do. Especially when it's not mounted. Oh my god, that's a pain. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to reset this detector or not. Oh, there we go. Alright. There's the cover off. Should be cleared. Guess we'll find out. There we go. Alright. So that's closed. Let me just bring these Q-tips and my keys. So it's still an alarm though, so I'm gonna go reset from the panel, and then I'll just see if it goes back into alarm. No audible silence this time. Didn't feel like wearing it. Okay. Let's see what is up with the focus? Hold on. Set these down. Okay. Oh, alarm LED flashing. What is the deal? There, that works. So disable it for a little bit. Bring it back. And I think we're good. Yep, we're good. Okay, so now I'm gonna reset the panel. And I'm gonna do a little cut real fast here to clean my lens. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully the focus will be a little bit more cooperative. Now, as I mentioned before, the dog hates the sound of that buzzer. Oh, cool. I'll let him outside. Here. We got snow for once. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Okay. Now we can test the duct detector. Which I don't know if I can film myself doing that, but I'll try. It's gonna scare me. No matter what happens, it's gonna scare me. Okay. Because basically that buzzer's just gonna go off. So you can maybe see the actual, yeah. We're gonna do this. Yep, now we have some airflow going. So I'm gonna light a Q-tip again, and hopefully be able to test this. So I'll just set down right here. Better not fall, that would suck. I don't know where I'm gonna hang the lighter. I'll just figure it out as I go. Okay. You might not be able to see this. Yep, we are getting airflow up. Alright. I don't think it's going to activate for us. It's not a very sensitive detector by any means. Check if that... Did I even enable the zone again? I did. Okay, it is clicking. I don't know what the deal with that is. Hold on a moment. I grab my earbuds and put them in, so hopefully it'll suppress the scare factor of this. Because the buzzer is not very quiet. It's actually quite loud. Okay, let's try this again. Q-tip's not red, it's burning. Can't really figure that out. Ooh, there we go. There we are. It's gonna take a while. Maybe without the fan. Okay, I'm gonna try without circulation. Maybe. Ooh. Maybe the fan is preventing this from working. Ooh, that's a lot of smoke. That doesn't work, nothing will. There we are. So there's the buzzer. Now, reset the buzzer. Okay. Disable the zone. I just wanted to show the disabling the buzzer from the key switch. Re-enable it. Otherwise it'll, see, it basically shorts the zone. Turn the fan back on to get some airflow in here. Actually, turn on. Oh, probably exhaust fans, because now it's not. Now it smells like I blew out 1,000 candles at once. But yeah, that's the duct detector. It's pretty cool. It's just a pain to test. And yeah, it takes a long time. So I'll grab a few more Q-tips here. So I thought it would go on one, but apparently I'm not looking for that to happen. And I'll go let Malcolm in. That's our dog. And then I'll go test the other ones, which those are a lot more sensitive. I think the system sensor ones in here are a lot better detectors. I'm gonna find a spot to put the water. Okay. That's still an alarm. I'm gonna have to make sure I can. Oh, I don't actually have to clear that detector out because the airflow of the duct should be enough. Cat. Yep. Okay, well, he's not here right now. Okay, I'll go reset the alarm and then I'll check if he's back. See, he barks and barks and then he'll leave. Pain dog. Okay, let's reset this. I guess you could say undisable. Unbypass. And let's, yeah, I think we're good. Let's reset. Okay, I'm gonna cut here and get the dog in. Alright, I am back. And the dog is in. Okay, the dog is silenced. So, now we're gonna showcase these brand new in box, System Sensor 2100S detectors. And I already had the RA100Z, and there was two of them. I really should have gotten both. I just got one. I put the detector right over the volcano. Anyway, yep. Make sure it blinks. Yep. And that one over there, I already saw it blink. Yeah, there it goes. And then we'll test the SIGA. And I'll actually silence from the panel this time. So let's think. Should we key test it? Should we use the button or should we smoke it? I'm only gonna do one of them with smoke. That's it. I don't know. I'll button test this one and I'll smoke test the other one. So, do button test here. And we'll see this come on. I'll actually show this coming on because it's more interesting. Alright. It's one detector has gone off, as you see. And, I'm actually, yeah, I'm not gonna, yeah, we'll do it, okay. It's gonna smell like smoke in here forever, but that's okay. That's cleared. I'm just gonna leave the panel open at this point. And let's do I have a cool thing to show on that one too. So this is gonna be a pain, but I'll do it anyway. So it's right above my bed. So I have to get over here. Do not hit my head on the fan. See all my monitor pagers. Alright. So I'll light it real quick. I'm gonna have to make it quick. I should probably bring the water over here in case something goes wrong. Okay, I have the water. Because I would prefer that we don't light the bed on fire. Usually these don't rip, I guess you could say. Alright. Oh, I just touched it. Dang it. I think it takes 3 blinks for it to activate. I hope that wipes off. Oh, it does. Okay. That didn't make much smoke, did it? Should be enough, though. It's a brand new detector. I don't even know if it made any. When I think about it. Let's do that again. go. The air circulation in this room is making it a pain. That should be good. Hoping that enough of it got in there, because see, Q-tips make a lot of smoke, but like for 2 seconds. I think that's been through blinks now, hasn't it? Gosh, I'm just not having good luck. Let's try the other side of this. Yeah, it's actually really warm. Just dip it in the water. Alright, let's try that one more time. I'll burn it for a long amount of time this time. Ooh, I made quite a bit. I'll actually put it under the detector, then it'll hopefully go in. Oh, I'm missing the detector. As you can tell, I have not done this in a long time. That should definitely be enough to activate it. Oh, I'll have to check the detector. It's not going in. Oh, there it is. Okay. I gotta turn the fan on in here. It is gonna smell like burned Q-tip for a long time. So let's do the SIGA now. So I have something cool to show about this. So okay, there's the keys. There's actually a key switch inside the SIGA, and that's actually I don't do this on actual installations, but it's used so when my friends are here, if they decide to pull this pull station for whatever reason, it will not activate the alarm. But I have it set up for supervision, so I actually put the resistor in there, so if I turn it to disable, we get a trouble on zone 4. But that'll prevent them from activating it at night, which is a good thing. It's not really a system for real protection. That's what the ever so conveniently placed household one is. It's right below, right above all the ones I test. Anyway, let's do the SIGA. Okay, that's the SIGA switch tested. Reset, and then I'll actually pull it. Gotta wait. I think we're good. Yeah. Yep. Oh my gosh, such a pain to open. Alright. Yeah, and I modified my SIGA so it kind of spring resets, so it's just open, flip the switch, and close, which is nice. And we are going to go key test the key switch. I'll just leave this on an alarm, it's not that important. And actually, let's make it interesting. Let's go button test. Great. Let's go button test the other 2100S that's above my bed. So I button tested this one. I'll do this one. Now I really gotta make sure I don't hit my head on the fan. Ready? I love that 4050. Such a great alarm. I recommend it. Let's go key test the other one, and I will turn on the trouble buzzer of this panel. So you'll get to hear the ear-piercing piezo. Let's go. Alright. There we go. That's basically all. Jeez. Dog's whining. I'm going to try to fit all this into one video. I'm going to reset, and then I'm going to go show you progress on System Test 8. Okay. And I'll leave the door open so we get the smell of smoke out of here. Find the right key. Okay. Okay. It's really dark out here. Except for the little bit of area where it's light by the window. Oh! That was bright. Oh, you heard the little click click. That's the 5207. And I don't know what's up with that. Oh, I forgot to connect the battery. Wow, good job. Alright, that's 5207. Really great panel, but it needs programming. There's that super loud one. Here's the heat detector. I don't have supervision set up, and this actually scares me because I'm really close proximity to this alarm, but it works. It's gonna be a rather long system test, isn't it? Yep, just a little sneak peek of system test 8. There's gonna be a lot more.